Hey everyone, we're going to be discussing the Marsriva MP12 charging station, a fascinating new gadget today. This portable power station provides an amazing combination of power, portability, and cutting-edge technology, with a base power of 1,200 watts and a peak power of 2,400 watts. With the Marsriva MP12, you can have backup power for a variety of situations, whether or not you're off the grid or not. With its excellent capabilities, the Marsriva MP12 power plant is rather small. With its weight of 12.7 kilos and dimensions of 350 by 252 by 250 millimeters, it is sufficiently portable for outdoor sports, camping vacations, or even usage as a backup at home. Convenient carrying handles make it easy to travel, especially if you intend to move it over extended distances. The body is composed of strong plastic. An informative display on the front of the device lets you keep an eye on important information like the battery charge level, output power, and input parameters. Simple-to-use control buttons are located above the display, and additional buttons for controlling the music are located on the sides of the device. You did really read correctly. This charging station has an FM radio receiver and an integrated Bluetooth speaker, making it a portable music center as well. The station's top-mounted 15-watt wireless charging pad is one of its most notable features. Two 220-volt outlets on the back of the station let you power tools as well as items around the house, such microwaves and refrigerators. This station can handle devices with higher energy usage for brief periods of time, thanks to its peak power output of 2,400 watts. The Marsriva MP12 employs lithium iron phosphate batteries, one of the most advanced and safest alternatives available today. With the ability to resist up to 6,000 charge cycles without losing up to 80% of their initial capacity, these batteries are renowned for their longevity. With a strong 1,310 watt-hour battery capacity, you can run several devices for extended periods of time. For instance, you might operate a TV for several hours or charge a smartphone or tablet multiple times. It could even power medical equipment in an emergency. Thanks to maximum power point tracking technology, which guarantees quick and effective charging from solar sources, the station itself may be refilled using solar panels or a regular wall outlet. Its integrated uninterruptible power supply functionality is another useful feature. This means that in the case of a power loss, the station will immediately transition to battery mode to keep your computers and other essential equipment running. According to the manufacturer's specifications, the Marsriva MP12 generated an amazing 1,111 watts of power during my tests. Remember that the station still produced the entire 1,310 watt-hour capacity as promised, even if the integrated inverter uses 15% of the total energy for voltage conversion. Up to its rated 1,200 watt output, the unit easily and trouble-free powered home equipment like microwaves and power tools when pushed to its limits. After that, the safety features engaged and the power was turned off at about 1,300 watts. In conclusion, consumers that require a balance between power, portability, and extra functions will find the Marsriva MP12 to be a dependable and adaptable charging station. This station provides everything you need to power gadgets while camping, back up your house during a power outage, and maintain important equipment operating in an emergency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.